Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my weekly b-boy tutorial. And today I'll be teaching you guys the combination from the thread onto the sideworm and onto the jazz split. So it's a combo tutorial, but before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming out from this channel, you will get notified. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. The first thing that you need to learn is master these three basic moves, which is the thread, sideworm, and jazz split. Now we're gonna start from the thread. Now we're gonna start from doing the footwork thread. I call this footwork thread because I usually do this thread from footwork. Okay, we're gonna start from sitting down on the ground, hook your right leg onto your left leg. Now you're gonna open up your right leg to the right side, okay, or swing your right leg to the right side. The next step is going to swing your right leg, which is you just swing it to the right side, again swing it to the left side. Alright, so hook and first step, right leg to the right side, and now bring your right leg back to the left side. At the same time, your left leg, which is the bending leg just now, you're going to swing to the right side. Okay, we are not done yet. When you're on these positions now, you're going to grab your right foot with your left hand like this. Okay, so you need to get the timing right. One more time. Hook, open, grab. From here we're gonna do a thread. Okay, so this is the forward thread or the thread that you need to master. For the sideworm, it looks very simple. You just place your right hand on the back like this. Your palm is facing outward, okay? Now place your shoulder down to the ground and now move from right to left, left to right, okay? So this is the basic worm or basic side worm. For the last move is jazz split. Very straightforward. You just bend one of the leg and keep the other leg straight. Or you can switch side, whichever you feel more comfortable. After we get these three moves down, now it's time to combine it. We're gonna start from the footwork thread. Alright, hook. Now I'm gonna swing my right leg out, the footwork thread, grab, thread. From here, look closely, I'm gonna do the sideworm. I'm gonna use my right leg to go in here, which is we are doing a thread. Basically there's a space here. My right leg is gonna go in. I'm gonna place the right side of my chest down, which is I'm doing the sideworm. Okay, now I'm gonna push up and back to the jazz split. Hook, thread, sideworm, and jazz split. So here's the tips. The purpose of this combo is let you to continue either to floor rocks or to footwork. Now the tip is, if you are going to continue to the floor rocks, then I would suggest you guys by doing jazz split using your elbow on the ground so that your upper body is closer to the ground. When you are continuing to the floor rocks, it's easier. Okay, just probably can just place your body down like this and continue to your floor rocks. But if you continue to footwork, then I would suggest you guys to keep your hand straight like this or bend it rather than just placing elbow, because if you continue with footwork, then you need to add more strength onto your hip to push your body up and continue to the footwork. So just remember, if you continue to floor rocks, while doing jazz split using your elbow, if you continue to footwork, then place your hand instead of your elbow. Now I'm going to show you guys in slow motion, so hopefully you guys can see it more clearly, alright? there you go guys, the combo tutorial from your footwork thread onto the sideworm and onto the jet split. Remember, this I show you for the purpose to let you guys know that you doesn't always have to, you know, come up with something advanced. Just pick and choose a certain move, a simple move like I did just now. The thread, the sideworm and the jet split, all these three are simple moves. I combine it and I'm creating a whole set or whole transitions for my routine. So if I can do it, then you can do it too. Alright, so that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.